Hey, it's Queen Cuisine, and this time I'm doing the cheesesteak sliders for you, quick and easy. So I'm going to chop up the vegetables for this. It's going to be green pepper, red pepper, and onions. Get them nicely chopped and fined because this is what's going to get sauteed into the frying pan with some butter, okay? So here you have the frying pan nice and hot. Put it all in there. Then you want it to get nice and cooked and fine because next you're going to start putting in the pieces of the steakums. Yes, that is, you're going to break up them steakums, y'all, and you're going to put them inside the fry pan and get them nicely cooked up as well. So while the steakums are cooking, you want to add that onion powder, garlic powder, definitely some chili powder, some seasoning salt as well into the mix. And you want to cook it with the seasoning. Thereafter, you want to sprinkle in also that peppers, the onions, the red peppers as well, along with some mozzarella cheese. Yes, you cannot forget that cheese. So I'm prepping the dinner rolls with mayo at the bottom of them. Then I finish them off with the steakum meat, with the peppers, the onions, the full works. On top of them, I'm applying these cheese. This is the provolone. Very, very detrimental. You put them provolones on before you put on the top portion of the buns, okay? So make sure you melt some butter along with Parmesan and some basil seasoning. That's what you're going to spread on top of the buns before applying them into the oven. You want to cook them in the oven on a high about 350 for roughly, I would say, until they turn golden brown. Depends on your oven. It could take maybe 15 minutes. Some may only take about 10. Regardless of it, you put them in there and voila, this is what you get. Yum, cheesy Philly sliders. Queen Cuisine, diamond to queen.